In this class we will continue to know the commands of the Modify panel, which are very useful for modifying the sketches. We will work with the command Scale, Stretch and Offset, which allow you to change the scale, lengthen entities and copy geometries, respectively. We start the class with a new open part file, with the measurements in them, and draw a sketch as shown. To use some commands that we will see in this class, we need to delete the geometric constraints. Then we click F8 to display them, click on each constraint and press Delete. Next, we activate the Scale command in the Modify panel, and in the open box we select the geometry. In base point we specify a reference point. See that now, when you move the mouse, the project is staggered by maintaining its aspect ratio correctly. We can enter an accurate value for the scale factor in the scale factor field and, in this case, enter 2. Note that the design has been increased because with scale factors above 1 the geometry will be enlarged and with values below 1 the geometry will be reduced. We confirm the command by clicking Apply or pressing Enter. We added some dimensions and applied the Scale command again. See that a message is displayed asking if necessary, some dimensions can be modified. We click Yes and the command completes and the dimensions change. Moving on, let's look at the use of the Stretch command, which allows you to lengthen geometries. We have activated the command and note that the procedure for use is similar to the others already presented in this course. We select the 3 lines shown, click base point and the point of origin. The message warning about dimensions is displayed and we click Yes. Also appears the message warning about geometric constraints, and we also click Yes. Note that now, by dragging the mouse, we can increase or decrease the size of the entities, as well as change their orientation. It is important to warn that in some cases it is easier and faster to click on the dimension and edit its value. Finally, let's look at how to use the Offset command, which creates parallel copies of the selected geometries. We activate this command by clicking on the icon in the Modify panel, or by typing letter O. Next, we select the geometry and note that with one click on an entity of the rectangle, all of it is selected. With one click we position the geometry on the desktop, increasing or decreasing as desired. The precise distance will be set by the Dimension command. We concluded this class, where we saw new tools for modifying geometries in Inventor, which facilitate the creation of sketches.